Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
A lot to talk about. Let's get right to it. Late tonight, we could see a little winter mix move into the Miami Valley. Maybe some snow, some freezing rain, transitioning to rain showers in the morning. I don't think we'll have much in the way of problems tomorrow on Thursday until we get to the evening, and that's when that Arctic air begins to blow in. We're going to see the rain switch over to snow from west to east Thursday evening in the time frame from about 7 o'clock to 10 p.m. from Wayne County, Indiana, heading over to east of Jamestown, east of South Charleston. Blowing and drifting snow will also develop because the winds are going to really pick up and get strong tomorrow night. We're going to see several inches of snow, a flash freeze likely as we get rapidly falling temperatures. They'll really crash, and that will set the stage for some dangerous travel conditions overnight and also into Friday morning. So if you can get out of town now, great idea. If you wait till tomorrow and try to head west, you're going to run into problems. Winter storm warnings to the west of us. The storm will be moving into Missouri, Illinois first. Blizzard warnings up in Iowa, Minnesota. Blizzard warnings northwest Indiana up near Gary. And then the western part of Michigan, a combination of lake effect snow, the high winds. Blizzard warnings there, also northern lower Michigan up into the eastern part of the UP. And blizzard warnings out through parts of South Dakota and Nebraska. And we have a storm warning in effect now. Wayne County, Indiana, Dark, Miami, Champaign counties northward, basically along and north of Interstate 70 for the potential 3 to 6 inches of snow along with significant blowing and drifting, and winds could gust as high as 45 to 55 miles per hour. Winter storm watch to the south. We may see the warning extended southward either later tonight or tomorrow depending on the track of this storm. So just kind of a heads up still for the Eaton, Dayton, Xenia area up to Springfield. Don't be surprised to also see significant winter conditions in our area. May have a little mix tomorrow morning early, transitioning over to rain showers, and then as we get to Thursday evening, there's that moderate to heavy snow moving in along with the high winds as we get that transition, and snow showers then continuing on and off on Friday. But the bulk of the accumulation will be Thursday night, early Friday morning. You can see some of the snowfall totals here by the time we get to 1 a.m., anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches of snow. Topping out most areas about 3 to 5, but we're still going to throw in the potential for a 6-inch amount here or there. And the other thing is it's going to be tough to measure. The winds are going to be so strong, areas are going to be stripped bare in one part of the lawn, and you're going to have several foot drift in other areas. Look at these wind gusts as we get to tomorrow night. The yellow indicating where we could see some gusts 40 miles per hour by 2 a.m., 40 to 50 for the wind gust potential, and maybe even getting stronger than that in some locations. And up over Lake Erie, they could be 60, 65, maybe even some 70 mile-an-hour wind gusts. Our forecast this evening showing temperatures dropping down through the 30s down to about 32 at 11 p.m. Overnight, we'll see that late-night winter mix dropping to about 30. East winds tonight 5 to 10 miles per hour. That mix over to rain showers tomorrow, but then back over to snow tomorrow evening. A southeast wind 5 to 15, high 42, but then we're going to drop almost 50 degrees by Friday morning. 4 below zero, high near zero, windy with snow showers still around and blowing and drifting snow Friday. Still a chance of snow flurries Saturday, high only near 7, around 0 on Christmas morning, a high of 12 degrees, but at least we'll get some sunshine back and the winds will start to die off.